Welcome back to the Photoshop Elements Made Easy workshop. We are on day 3, and today we are going to debunk the myth that layers are super hard and complicated. Basically, when you are working with layers, you have to remember that it's like a piece of art that we made in preschool. So we have let's picture the construction paper that the teacher gave us, which was kind of our blank canvas. And then they gave us more construction paper and markers and all kinds of things and glue to put our piece of art together. So we work from the back up with our art in preschool. Well, we do the same thing with our art in Photoshop Elements. So anytime you're creating a graphic, whatever you want on the very bottom is going to be at the very bottom of your layers panel. Right here is your layers panel. We looked a few minutes ago, on day 1 at the PSD files and how they have all these different layers. When we put our layers together, we work from the back forward. So you can see right here, I have lots and lots and lots of layers in this file, but not all of my layers are turned on. You can see right here, I have this, and it says indicates layer visibility. Well, right now that is turned off. All of these are turned on. This one is turned off. This one is turned off. This one is turned off. So those are things that if I clicked on them, they would show up. You see how magically this yellow pin appeared? I'm going to click on it again. It's going to go away. When I chose this background, I could easily swap it to something else by turning it off. And then this layer that's underneath all of the others shows up. Well, what if we just wanted it on white? We can just turn that layer right off. So let me go up here and turn this back on. And I'm going to show you why PSD files are so important. This is a file that I sell on Etsy. And when someone purchases this file for a set fee, they email me their information, everything they want changed. So when I go in to change the file and send it to him, instead of having to recreate it all I have to do is change the text or the info on the file. So right here I could say, let's see, I could say May 31st. And if they said, you know what, I really like all the information that you have on there, but I don't like the font, I can go in and I can change the font. You can see when I scroll through all of the different fonts. So I could pick something else. So let me find one. Don't like that. Okay, let's try this one. Click OK. Now I'm going to center it right here. And then we could change the name, change the number. If she said, oh, well, her favorite color is turquoise, so we want to actually use that, I can go up here and I can pick turquoise instead of purple, and we could change it. We would save it as a JPEG file, and then we would send it to them. So layers are really that easy. Once you get your file set up, you can use the same design over and over and over again. I hope that y'all enjoyed that. I hope that you see how easy layers are now and that you will tackle some of those. I do want to show you one more thing before I go. When you're over here and you have your layers panel open, if your screen doesn't look like this, it may look like this. All you have to do is right here, click on the layers panel, and then if you wanted to create a new layer right over the top, you just click right up here, create a new layer. And then this new layer, let's say we could fill it with color. Let's fill it. Okay, I just filled this whole layer with blue, and since it was on the very top, it covered everything below. So if I turn it off, there's my invitation again. If I decide I don't need that layer, I just right click and delete layer. And that's it. All right, guys, so that's how easy layers are. I can't wait to see you for the next lesson.